Portfolio decarbonisation helps organisations to optimise operational performance and capital program across their entire asset portfolio to achieve climate commitments. AECOM's approach starts with developing credible portfolio decarbonisation plans and strategies that are implementable from a truly unique advisory team with diverse skills that are unrivalled in the marketplace. We've developed some unique digital tools and processes that collate and aggregate portfolio data, then analyse and optimise decarbonisation plans and capital works programs across the entire portfolio.
We've helped many clients on their decarbonisation pathways in a multitude of different ways, whether it's helping them understand the performance of their existing portfolio, obtaining manageable data, developing then decarbonisation opportunities, converting those into implementable pathways, and all importantly, securing funding to support them in that journey, whether that's through grant funding, tax incentives, or indeed through private sector funding through the delivery of energy performance contracting.
When it comes to decarbonisation, a key focus area we have is in the electrification of heating and hot water systems. The reason we do that is because as of right now, about 35% of residential and commercial building emissions are tied to natural gas and the heating and cooling of systems. But by 2050, if we meet all of our clean power goals, that number is going to be above 90%. So for us, the true path to decarbonisation is the elimination of on-site combustion of fossil gas. We're doing that across the US and beyond right now at San Diego Airport, where we're working with them to develop a solution for a completely electric central utility plant. In that mild climate, it's not that hard for them to do. They have the ability to adopt heat pump technology and tie that in with their existing central plant to reduce their natural gas use by over 90%. Another example I'll give in Southern California is the University of California, Riverside, where we've recently completed their decarbonisation study. A big focus of this was how do we transition from an original steam-based infrastructure, which has challenges all the way from the building itself through the infrastructure where you have to replace the piping from steam to hot water, all the way back to the central utility plant, looking at options to leverage heat pumps using the ground, air, water, and others. But in realizing the plan that we've developed for them, they can eliminate all of the remaining natural gas use and achieve the decarbonisation goals they've set for themselves by 2045.
By repurposing buildings, we can significantly reduce and help avoid the creation of new embodied emissions. For example, the adaptation of former industrial buildings into co-working spaces, modern apartments or offices preserves cultural heritage and urban character while minimising new material use. Energy efficiency measures are equally important and further decrease emissions in operation. When combined with the electrification of energy systems, these adaptations facilitate the transition to fully renewable energy sources. Increasingly, we will see new regulation and policy emphasise the consideration of adaptive reuse in preference to demolition and new build. Through such innovative adaptations, we not only safeguard our architectural legacy, but also forge a path towards a more resilient and environmentally conscious society.